Breaking news, part of a local bridge collapses. CBS 12 investigates what the most recent report says about the safety of that bridge.
I couldn't say it at all. She knows it.
President Trump fires back, calling a South Florida congresswoman a liar. What the family of a fallen soldier is saying about the controversial condolence call.
Plus, more chaos, the long lines, and why there was even more confusion for people looking for help after Hurricane Irma.
This is CBS 12 News at 5.
But first, Storm Track Radar is tracking the first of two fronts expected to bring more rain, and behind that, a big dip in temperatures. Let's get right to severe weather expert Jeff Baradelli. Jeff?
Yeah, so an interesting chain of events going to be happening over the next few days around here. First of all, we have this stalled out front near us. That means we're in and out of the showers and in and out of the clouds. It's really going to start to become breezy towards the end of the week, but there's really no cool air behind this front, but the next one is much stronger. On the radar, we've had quite a number of showers across parts of the area today. Not everyone has gotten hit, but right now we have some small showers. Every once in a while, a quick downpour, especially on the Treasure Coast, nice and quiet across Palm Beach County. But the next front, this is going to be a real refreshing change around here. It's going to be moving in as we head into next week. So coming up in minutes, I'll have your weekend breakdown. We'll talk all about that. We'll talk about the much stronger front, when it's going to get here, and how cold it's going to get.
Breaking news now at 5. Part of a local bridge collapses, sending heavy slabs of concrete into the water below. You are looking at video from our Sky Team 12 drone of the aftermath. And tonight, a team of inspectors are working to figure out why a section of a 61-year-old bridge gave way.
Here's where crews shut down parts of US 1 and North Palm Beach in order to conduct safety inspections. And that's where we find CBS 12's Michael Butchner. He joins us live on Marine Watch 12, investigating what caused that collapse. Michael?
Yeah, Liz and John, we're live here on the water to give you everyone at home a unique perspective. This is happening right behind me here. If I step aside, you could see it. We're at the foot of this bridge here on the Ermine River. You could see that section of bridge that is missing. If we pan down, you can look in the water. You can see part of it sticking through at this hour. This is a heavily traveled section of roadway here, US 1 in North Palm Beach. And of course, this area here heavily traveled with boaters coming and going every single day. And tonight, the Florida Department of Transportation is trying to figure out why and how this happened.
It looks like something bad went wrong.
From the air, Sky Team 12 with an exclusive look at the bridge collapse. A section of the US 1 bridge near North Lake Boulevard in North Palm Beach is gone after crashing into the water below. Fortunately, no one was below the bridge at the time. State records show it was last inspected nearly 2 years ago and is listed as functionally obsolete, meaning it's no longer functionally adequate for its tasks. The DOT says it doesn't mean it's unsafe. Drone video from Sky Team 12 shows crews examining the section of bridge where the collapse occurred. A scary sight for commuters and even boaters.
I ride my boat under that bridge every weekend, so it's definitely concerning, what happened.
The Florida Department of Transportation tells CBS 12 that inspectors will examine the section of the bridge that fell into the water as well as under the bridge to try to determine the exact cause of the failure. State records reviewed by CBS 12 show the bridge is more than 60 years old, first built in 1956 and widened in 2003. The state not taking any chances. We've learned DOT will also inspect the northbound side of the bridge for potential problems as well. Drivers say the collapse is an indicator of a much bigger problem.
The infrastructure in this whole entire country needs to be looked at, and there's plenty of jobs for that.
Yeah, back out live, we can tell you traffic is flowing in both direction, northbound and southbound, although there are lane closures in this area. The Department of Transportation tells us that they will put up a barrier to protect everyone from where this section of the bridge is missing. For now, we're live aboard Marine Watch 12 in North Palm Beach. Michael Butchner, CBS 12 News.